again. And I'm here with fidget spinners. There's a lot of fidget spinners in this box. I'm only going to use 4, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of it. I might make a part 2 of all of them, but I might. But, yeah. Further ado, let's get started. And one more thing. The noise in the background, just ignore it. Okay? Hold on. This one's blue. So it has like black inside, and then like it has like three rows of bearings, and then this one's very smooth, very smooth. Ooh, this is very smooth. Okay. Number 2. Red. And has like some white circles around it. Like the plastic is red, and has like some screws and all the ones. Okay, let's spin it. Ooh, it glows. It like glows in the dark. Number 3. Okay, let's see this one. It's yellow. I'm like 3 bearings too, like that one, but instead they're all silver. Ugh. This one's not smooth at all, literally, but it is good at spinning, but rough. And for the last one, not the last one in the box, but for the last one, because I'm only doing 4, guys. So for the last one, let's just see. Purple. Whoa. If you look at these are almost like the same, except for just colors. So let's just, yes. Okay, let's spin them all one more time so you guys can see. Yellow. Red. Purple. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if we get, let's say, 5 likes today, just today, I'll probably finish the rest of the box. Okay, guys? Pinky promise. Okay. Come on, 5 likes just for today. Not that much. And if you want my people, don't forget, subscribe to Jacob Sartorius. He's my role model. And don't forget to subscribe to me. And yeah. 5 likes, guys. Come on, we can do this. 5 likes. Finish the rest of the box of fidget spinners. Okay. Peace out.